Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to NIE VS Home School. I am Rahela Ferdousee, assistant teacher, day shift. Today I am going to have a class with the students of class 1. Our today's subject is English language, and today we will learn spelling. We will the selected one. Okay. Our today's lecture number is 20. Today we don't have any SW. Now let's start our class. We have selected the spellings from this book. We have selected the spellings from this book from our syllabus. My dear students, you will learn this spelling very well at home. Okay, let's start practice. Number 1, mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Number 2, father. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. Number 3, brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R, brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R, brother. Number 4, dress. D-R-E-S-S, dress. D-R-E-S-S, dress. Number 5, socks. S-O-C-K-S, socks. S-O-C-K-S, socks. Number 6, wane. W-H-E-N, wane. W-H-E-N, wane. Number 7, run. R-U-N, run. R-U-N, run. R-U-N, run. Number 8, chop. C-H-O-P, chop. C-H-O-P, chop. C-H-O-P, chop. Number 9, desk. D-E-S-K, desk. D-E-S-K, desk. D-E-S-K, desk. Number 10, chalk. Chalk. C-H-A-L-K, chalk. C-H-A-L-K, chalk. C-H-A-L-K, chalk. Number 11, teacher. Teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. Number 12, deck. D-E-C-K, deck. D-E-C-K, deck. Number 13, lock. L-O-C-K, lock. L-O-C-K, lock. L-O-C-K, lock. Number 14, coconut. Coconut. C-O-C-O-N-U-T, nut. Coconut. Coconut. Number 15, banana. B-A-B-A-N-A-N-A, N-A-N-A. Banana. B-A-B-A-N-A-N-A, N-A-N-A. Banana. Banana. Number 16, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Number 17, thick. Thick. T-H-I-C-K, thick. T-H-I-C-K, thick. T-H-I-C-K, thick. Number 18, kitten. 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 K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. Number 19, hair. H-A-R-E, hair. H-A-R-E, hair. H-A-R-E, hair. Number 20, mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. 21, bill. Bill. B-E-L-L, bill. B-E-L-L, bill. 22, animal. Animal. A-N-I-M-A-L, animal. A-N-I-M-A-L, animal. 23, market. Market. M-A-R-K-E-T, cat. Market. Market. M-A-R-K-E-T, market. 24, farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. 25, meat. M-E-E-T, meat. M-E-E-T, meat. M-E-E-T, meat. 26, beef. Beef. B-E-E-F, beef. B-E-E-F, beef. B-E-E-F, beef. 27, white. W-H-I-T-E, white. W-H-I-T-E, white. W-H-I-T-E, white. 28, yellow. Yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. 29, bath. B-A-T-H, bath. B-A-T-H, bath. Number 30, cook. C-O-O-K, cook. C-O-O-K, cook. C-O-O-K, cook. So my dear students, these all are the words we have to spell well. You have to learn the spelling. Again, I am reading the words from 1 to 30. Mother, father, brother, dress, socks, wing, run, chop, desk, chalk, teacher, deck, lock, coconut, banana, orange, thick, kitten, hair, mouse, bell, animal, market, farmer, meat, beef, white, yellow, bath, cook. Dear students, you have to practice the spellings of these words very well. Hope that all of you are staying at home and stay at home, stay safe, listen to your parents. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu